This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Paul Ford, Realtors property video is presented by Clay Mittman. Exceptionally large end unit, Easton townhome rental located in the Highland Hills development. The home has a great floor plan and spacious room sizes with a generous 2,988 total square feet. 2,200 square feet living area on first and second levels, plus 788 square feet finished walkout lower level. The first level has a dining room, living room, with a door to deck, open concept kitchen with pantry, hardwood flooring, and granite countertops, plus laundry room and half bath. The second level has 4 generously sized bedrooms, some with walk-in closets, and 2 full baths. The master bathroom has a soaking tub, 2-bowl vanity, large shower, and private toilet area. A substantially sized lower level has a full bath, closet, storage area, and door to patio. The monthly fee for the central reporting alarm is paid by the landlord. The new TREX deck overlooks the private backyard, and the 2-car garage with open span space is the finishing touch to make this the perfect rental. For more information,